Hey all, welcome back to Messing with Mopars. Got a bit of a haircut. Wish it was a little shorter on top, but it's not, so whatever. What are we doing? Okay, let's come on over here with me. This is what we're gonna do. Just a quick short. See the harmonic balancer there? I'll show you guys what it is in a second. And it's just right here. It bolts into the snout of the crank. There's a bolt that looks like that. Don't use the bolt to pull them in. What happens is you can strip this out, and then you're not very happy. And you don't want to hit it too hard. Just little love taps in there. Let her seat. There you go. Just that easy. Now you can put the crank bolt in and torque that down, and away you go. All right. Thanks for coming along for the ride. We're gonna put some accessories on the engine. Not sure what I'm gonna do about that. What do you call it there? Stick shift on the transmission. I got another one that I might try out. Okay. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and yeah, there you go. Leave a comment too. We're going to get some more editing advice from a fella on Sunday, so should be good as long as I can remember how to do it. But that comes with repetitive stuff. All right, bye.